Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 20 SE, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, and once you have it open and visible on a screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this animation. It does give you a message what you can do when you do it the first time around. So as you can see, touch to view and edit it, so the image. From there we can also capture a scrollable screenshot, assuming the content can be scrolled. Then below that we have a share option and also delete option. Now going back to the scrollable option, I'm gonna open up settings just for this. So once you capture a screenshot that can be scrolled down, you can simply tap right here, and this will automatically start scrolling. You can tap on it to stop it. It also gives you the option to scroll it down yourself for more precise placement of it, and from there you can tap on done, check mark, and this will save it. Now whatever screenshot you have captured, all of them can be found in your gallery application, either in the, I believe, the moments, or also under albums, screenshots, as you can see right over here. So there's the scrollable one, and then there's the normal one. So that being said, this is how you capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.